Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. These beautiful irons are from Oliso. You may have seen some of those, but the features I'm reading about, I am definitely going to be adding one of these to my sewing room. We know as quilters and makers that aside from the sewing machine and good quality fabric, an iron is your best friend. It can make the difference between everything being pressed out nicely, including those seams we're all going for, and the points coming out and not happening. The Oliso SmartIron, I love the range of colors as well. Of course, back in the day when I was involved with quilting early on, you were lucky just to find a good quality iron. Now they have these amazing colors, orchid, yellow, turquoise, or pink. I love the feature of, and I think this is one of the features that most quilters talk about, is they talk about the strain with most irons of lifting them up, having to tilt them up and prop them up or set them in a cradle. The technology behind the SmartIron is when I touch it, it says, oh, it must be time to go to work, and it lowers. Similarly, when I'm done ironing and I release the pressure, the iron lifts automatically, rising above my pressing surface, reducing scorching, burning, and strain on my wrist of the action of down and up again and again. Let me demonstrate. Time to work. I do my ironing. I'm done. I move on. I can save time. Now I'm not having to prop that up. I love that. I think one of the other things I love about the iron is the long 12-foot cord. So many times irons have a really short cord and I have to scoot over to accommodate where my power source is or add a power, kind of an extension cord. I love that I can have a nice long 12-foot cord and look how it pivots 360 degrees. Most cords are fixed. The angle that's coming off on most of these irons is what you simply live with. So I love the fact that this can pivot. It has a nice 12.7 ounce storage bay for water, kind of a holding tank. That's a lot of water. I'm not back and forth filling up water if I'm perhaps working on a project that has steam. This even has an auto clean feature associated with it and so much more. But the best part about this iron is a 3-year manufacturer warranty. I love that. Nowadays, we're lucky to get an iron even with a 1-year warranty, and the fact that Oliso offers the 3-year warranty, that is included with your purchase, is fantastic. So if you've been looking for an amazing iron to add to that sewing room, or maybe you have someone that's been asking for this, be sure to pick up this iron, and you have 4 beautiful colors to choose from. Even more details are available on our website that explains even more of the features of the Oliso iron. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you the SmartIrons from Oliso.